Guess what today is? Today is free course giveaway day, July 25th. This is when I am going to give away to one Instagram follower my courses on wholesaling houses and wholesaling apartment buildings. If you haven't already entered, there's still a chance to get in. You can enter on this post or any of the other two posts that I've placed on Instagram. Oh, and make sure if you're one of my followers, turn on the post notifications. And also, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to me and turn on the notifications there by tapping the little bell so you are alerted whenever I post new content and when I go live. But to enter into this contest, if you haven't already, you can follow the rules here below, but I'll go ahead and just go over them with you right quick. The minimum requirement is just to tag at least one person from one of these three posts. You can get a second entry by tagging me at AskFlipMan, a third entry by using the hashtag AskFlipMan, and then you can get three additional entries by reposting one of these particular posts for the promo. If you don't know how to do that, simply DM me. I will send you an image that you can repost to your page. You'll save it first and repost to your page. Once you do that, make sure that you tag me for that post so I'll know that you've done it. So again, you can still get in it to win it. As the lottery would say, you have to be in it to win it. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side. Good luck.